Good day, my name is Gamba Palisho. I will be demonstrating my Arduino project. Here I used three sensors. This is a baby monitor system. Here I used DHT11 to measure the temperature of a baby, and I used ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, when you approach it, it makes a sound. I also used a tilt switch, whereby you can see on the LED when the tilt switch is what is this? It is off. Now it is on. It is horizontal. Now I'll demonstrate to you how it actually works on a baby. I also used what is this? A dip switch to control what is this? The servo motor, which is this is my servo motor, and then also the what is this? The LEDs. Now, okay, I will demonstrate to you. As we can see here that the humidity sensor and the temperature sensor are shown on the LCD, whereby they read from the temperature sensor. Okay, now we know that by scientific knowledge that a baby is not supposed to reach a certain temperature. Now this baby monitor project, it will help that it will detect when the baby temperature the baby's temperature, when it rises too much, then it will notify to the mother or whoever was taking care of the baby. And also we have to detect pets so that they don't come near the baby, so that they don't infect what is this, the baby. They don't give the baby infections. So when the pets approaches the IR sensor to detect that there is a motion, so that it reports to the mother or whoever that is the guardian of the baby. Now, by scientific knowledge, we also know that a baby is not supposed to sleep with sides when the baby is still small. So now that will be helped by what is this? A tilt switch. So the tilt switch will detect whether the baby is sleeping with the back or is sleeping with the stomach or the sides. Now we can see that the LED, which represents what it is, the tilt switch, is on, which means the baby is sleeping with the stomach or sides. Now we will demonstrate when the baby is sleeping with the back. Now we can see that I've made it to be the tilt switch to be vertical, and what is this? The LED is off. Now it is horizontal and the LED is on. Okay, now as you can see that we have also a servo here. The servo will serve that it will generate what is this, the baby projector, which means it will rotate the baby projector so that the baby may fall asleep. And also have the LEDs there. As you can see, they are blinking. The LEDs will entertain the baby so that the baby is kept happy, does not cry all the time. We have used the dip switch to switch on and to switch off what is this, to switch off the servo and the LEDs. Now I will just switch off the dip switch. You see, when I switch off the switch number 4, the servo is off. Then I will switch it on again. You see the servo is moving, which means the projector toy will be moving also. Now I will demonstrate when I switch off what is this, the LEDs. You see, I've switched off the LEDs on the dip switch. Now I will switch them on again. As you can see, they are on again. So now we will be demonstrating on our ThinkSpeak. Okay, now I've got a cup here with a hot water, so which means the hot water will what is this, will increase the temperature on the what is this, on the DHT11, which means I've approached, and that when the temperature rises high, it will be demonstrated, the data will be sent to ThinkSpeak. Okay, as we can see that we have 3 graphs here. We have the temperature graph, and we have the PIR graph, and we have the tilt graph. I will start with the temperature graph. Okay, which means the DHT11 sends the data to ThinkSpeak. So now on ThinkSpeak we can see initially that the what is this? The temperature is on a normal level, is on a standard level. Now when I if you remember, when I demonstrated with a hot cup of water. The temperature was high, which means the temperature rose. And then after I removed the cup of water, then after a while the temperature went on a standard level again. Now on the PIR, whenever you approach it, it turns on the LED, so we can see that it's going high and low, on and off, which means every time the pet approaches the IR sensor, the PIR sensor, it goes high. When the pet is off, it goes low. And we also have the tilt sensor, which means the tilt sensor, it demonstrates that the babies are sleeping with the stomach or with the back. So we can see by the demonstration that the baby has been sleeping on a normal state, on their back. Okay, thank you. As we can see that our sensors are sending the data in real time. As you can see there that it is 8 minutes past 3. Also there it's 8 minutes past 3. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that this project will be of help in your lives.